Just on? Oh, okay. Love? We're gonna be public quoting. Yes. We're at a restaurant right now. Crap, I don't know how to do this. I'm gonna do quads in public. Alright. I'm gonna put it down.
Wala ko mapambahay.
Hindi ba sandal?
Sabagay. Pero, ang sabi ko nga sa tao, kasi hindi pa ko papasanglan kay January, mga katakasal, sabi ko sa kanya, yung balance ko, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na ako kaya, yung matitira na balance. Magkano sa'yo? Siyempre naman siya. Ako, 120 sa living, wala.
Bro, there were so many people. There was people walking by. I was staring at them. There's people here, bro. There's people here. See, there's people here. Bro, the people that's in this restaurant, you see this video? Well, then you're famous now, I guess. Well, I'm not really that famous. Well, time for more public quotes! But I just realized there's literally a CCTV. Bro, there's literally a CCTV here, but I don't care. I'm him. Okay, let's do this. Right now we are waiting for the food. We're waiting for the food. This is where we're at. So, wait. We're at a seat. We're at a seat right now. It's beep beep. Beep. Ano na? There you go. Wow, our food is ready. Goodbye.